love Door County?
I love Door County.
iLoveDoorCounty.com.
The natural beauty.
The people.
The spectacular homes.
All of this can be yours every day. Visit iLoveDoorCounty.com to see all homes, lots, condos, and commercial properties for sale in Door County. Let David Kaster show you the real advantage. Wanting to sell? Get worldwide exposure for your listing. Contact David Kaster at Coldwell Banker The Real Estate Group and iLoveDoorCounty.com. Purveyors of the Door County lifestyle.
We believe in home and all the magical things that come with it. And we believe that our calling in life is to find the home that's perfect for you. Coldwell Banker, fulfilling dreams for over 100 years.